everyone, I'm T-Junkie and welcome back to part 24. In this tutorial what we'll be doing is creating the change level script. Now what I need to do is, this is my second level I've created. I've put my player character in here, and I need to also go to my first test level. In this first test level, when we complete the game, which I've got here, where we run down and hit this, we're completing the level. What we're going to do is we're going to have to create a trigger. So what I'm going to do is create a cube, and drag it all the way here. Here should be enough, right there. And then I can set it to be a trigger. I don't want it to receive shadows. I don't want it to cast shadows either. So what I'm going to do is this mesh renderer, on the other hand, we don't actually need this, so I can remove component on this. Then we just have the box collider and the cube mesh. What I can do is scale it. Well, to be honest, where is this? Edit collider. I'll drag this to this wall, drag that to that wall, that wall, and then this wall. And then what I need to do is hit, yep, on this trigger. So I can tick that button again so it's not a collider anymore. And there we go. So we're going to have our stuff on. So I'm going to change this to, I'm going to name this change level. Give it something better. Exit portal. Makes it sound better. Now I've got the exit portal here. So we're going to be using to change the level. Now what I need to do is make sure it actually works. So for now what we're going to do is create another script and call it change level script. And just open this up. And then in here, void on trigger, enter. And then I'm just going to say debug.log, and then say it works. The main reason for this is if I save this off now, then I go into drag this change level script onto the exit portal. What's going to happen, hopefully, is when I hit this trigger here, I'm going to get a message down here on my screen that says it works, to let me know when I've actually hit it, it works. There you go. Got a debug log message here, says it works. Now I know that this trigger is set up correctly. I can go back into here. Now what I need to do is I'm going to have in here a public string, and I'm going to call this next level, and at the moment it equals nothing. And then what I'm going to do down here is go not player plus, sorry, I need to go up here first. Using system, Unity engine dot scene management. Then down here I'm just going to say scene manager dot load scene, and then test, and then oops, yeah, and then the scene I want to load is next level. Now the reason why I'm doing this next level like this is so if we want to reuse this script, we can. See, when this loads up, we've got the next level. We type in the next level here, and then when the next level appears, it's right there. So my next level is test level 2, so I'm just going to write that in there now. There you go. So the next level it's going to hit, this is going to change to test level 2. Now in my build settings I might want to add that in there. There we go. Now what I'm going to do is we also need to set up, well, first and foremost, you're going to make sure that actually works. So I've got test level 2, and this should load me to level 2. And yeah, it worked. I love it when everything works straight away. It means I don't have to keep going, what's wrong? Now what we're going to do in this script is we're going to actually set it to start saving something. So we know we want to save the score. So on the score, we want the health saved, the armor, ammo, want the score, the health, the armor, the ammo. Is there anything else? Nope, I believe that's it actually. So to do the score, what we're going to do is say player prefs dot I'm thinking I might actually run into a little bit of a problem here. So I'm thinking if I just save the whole HUD script, it might actually work. And down here we want level as well. So if I go player prefs, this is the problem here, because I've got the main menu here. Whoops, not main menu, player HUD, and I've got all the ammo and everything cached in this here. So instead of mono behavior, this might not work, but we can see. So for player HUD there, I'm just going to test something quickly. Yeah, that's all saved off. I think if this goes the way I think it's going to go, my whole HUD is going to die if I click play. No, my HUD's still there. That's impressive. Now, is everything in here? Yeah, it's got player score in here as well. Yeah, that's good. Right now, player prefs dot set int. I'm gonna say player score, and then it's gonna be underscore, and I believe that's actually, to see that, do I actually have to make that as a public, do you reckon? Where's my score? Here. Set that off, go back into here, and then I go underscore player score here. There you go, I got it, I found it. There we go, I got player score. So yeah, I need to make these variables public. So I'm only going to use player score. I need current ammo, current ammo, current health, and current armor. So that's really all we need now. That's the score should be set up. Now player prefs dot set. Is that an int or a float? It's a float. Okay. Player set float. Player health. Let's say current health. So it's going to save the current health value. Now let's go to the armor. Player prefs dot set float. Player armor, and then let's go current armor. Let's save the ammo. So player prefs dot set float player ammo. Current ammo. Then the level I want to save is player prefs dot set string. I believe I called it current level. If I go to my main menu, it should tell me. That's on UI, main menu layout. There we go. That sets the player name. Or do I set what current level it is already? Oh, current level's got the space in it. There we go. And then I'm going to say let's go on next level. Next level, sorry. There you go. So now it should save the score, the player health, the current armor, the current ammo, and next level. So what I am going to do is go into the player HUD, and then on the start function I'm going to say if player prefs dot has key player health, because if it has player health, I'm pretty sure it will also have armor, ammo, and health. Because it's the only time we actually save them is when we're changing the level. At the beginning of the game, it's going to be 100. It's going to be fine. It's not going to matter changing that, saving that at the beginning so much. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to sign in here and say if you've got this, so what I'm going to do is go, if it has the health, we're going to do underscore current health is equal to player prefs dot get float player health underscore current armor equals player prefs dot get float player armor underscore current ammo equals player prefs dot get float current ammo, and that's the current ammo. I believe, yeah. Score. Here we go. And score current. Sorry. Player score is equal to player prefs dot get int player score. That's in the start function. Now if we scroll all the way down to where it has our sorry, That's in the player HUD. Now if I go to my main menu and I have a look at the stats, right at the moment we've got health pickups. We've not actually saved any health pickups yet. Our pickups are not saving that. Achievements we are. On the other hand, time stop we are. Score. See, yeah, it's player score. That's fine. Oh, it is current level without the space. I read that wrong. There we go. Set that off just in case. Now if I go main menu, see, it does get current level. So yeah, that should update. So if we go back to the main menu, it should update. Now if all goes well, see, now I've lost my HUD for some bizarre reason, and I had it before. I figured this would happen, so yeah. Let's see if this works. See, if I do it like this, will this actually work, or will this give me so many errors it's not even funny? I'm thinking it probably will. It'll probably give me quite a few errors actually, because it says it's not an instance of an object, blah blah blah. No, it didn't do that. So I'm either worried or concerned or something. Anyway, yeah, it's working so far. I'm gonna go and take some health away. So I'm not going to pick up any health. I'm going to keep the health as it is at the moment. I'm going to pick up some armor. And that way I've got some score, some armor, some health. So let's see if this actually works. There we go. Figured it would. Gives me an error. All because I tried changing a level. See, I love it. The programming code actually says yes, it's fine. But it's apparently not. Right, we could always just do it another way. So public game object player HUD. If I turn it to public game object player HUD, I'm going to say player HUD is equal to player HUD is equal to FPS control is equal to find game object with game object dot find game object with tag. I believe the tag we use is FPS controller dot get component player HUD. Why can't you get that? Ugh. actually starting to make me a bit angry right now. Does that work? Because I'm wondering if it actually works. So if I say player heard dot FPS controller, should actually call it that. So that's a tag, game controller, never mind. See, this is where I thought this wouldn't go smoothly, because now, I mean, I could always use messengers, to be honest. But I really don't want to do that. I've done this before, I'm not entirely sure why this is giving me such a headache. There's a player heard dot get component. Underscore help, no. I love this. I really do. See, I've got the whole player HUD stuff here. Give me a second, I'm just going to figure this out. Hello everyone. I've just figured it out. I was doing some playing around and I just realised it'd be much easier actually if I copy all this for now. I'll just copy this for now. Let the player heard. I'm going to create a new one called public void save game. Much easier. Put this in here. Set float. I'm going to say player score. Whoops. Underscore player score. And I can just delete this player HUD stuff off. And I can save that off. And that way, when that's called, that'd be good. Now, if I go as messenger.add listener save game. then save game. That way, if this is called, it saves the 4 variables we want. Now here we're going to save the current level anyway, because the current level we're going to dictate by here, so we're going to save it on this script. Now I'm just going to add here, so messenger dot broadcast, and then I'm going to say save game. Save that off, make sure my HUD's saved off. It is. Go to Unity, see what happens. Therefore I click play, and this has worked out very well. I hope it should save. Now same dealio again. I'm gonna keep my health there. I'm just gonna collect 2 bits of armor. So my score 35. I've got 75 armor, I think it is. See what happens. There we go. My ammo is not saved. That's disappeared, and my score didn't save. So player score and player ammo. See, player ammo is, it's got current ammo. Where am I looking? Current ammo. That is a float. And now my current ammo is 100. Oh, F. Put an F on the end there. It should hopefully work. Player score did not save. Public int player score equals 0. Oh, set int. Set int for player score. Now, if I try that again, I'm thinking I'm probably going to have health and armor already. Yeah, I am. Since my ammo and health didn't actually save, I'm probably gonna have to kill that off, I believe. So let's take away my health. Let's try this again. I'm going to give myself a small, then a large, then this, then this. So I've 75 score and full everything. So now let's see what happens. Right, the score saves and the health saves, but I'm going to have to start player prefs dot delete key. I'm going to say player ammo. So if I run this quickly, I'll have no ammo, which makes sense. Now I'm going to delete this off. Save that. Current ammo is there. So then what I want to do is I need to set the ammo back. So my ammo should be 100 now. No, of course it'll be 0. Of course, because I saved it as nothing, didn't I? Start, there we go. I'm gonna clear this off for a second. Right, I have ammo. Good. And now I'm just gonna run through. Take some health, armor off me, just to make sure it's saving. My score on those saves. my armor and health and no saves. Right now I should have a current ammo. So I save that off and I'll relaunch it again. I should have ammo now. Oh, I know why. Get float current ammo. Oh. Player ammo, not current ammo. If I was going here down here, player ammo, yeah. So I should actually have it now. Yep, I got ammo again. There we go, I know that saves. I don't know where to take down the ammo at the moment. I don't, do I? I do, there we go. My armor's down like this. Let's go make sure the ammo saves. I'm pretty sure it does now. And it does, there we go. And it does. There we go. Thank you all for watching. I've been T-Junkie. And in the next tutorial we're going to be sorting out coins, or picking up coins. Anyway, thank you all for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.